Guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video, I'm with my friend Alex, aka Blackgtvr.
Hey guys.
So, oh yeah, I got this new Runky Monkey ring badge, or whatever it's called, a ring. Okay, that was so weird.
Bro got a ring of a PNG of a Gorilla Tag monkey.
Yeah. So, in today's video, we're gonna go to caves and go try finding Lucy. So, yeah. This is gonna be the best collab yet with one of my favorite YouTubers, and he's my friend in school, right, Alex?
True.
Yeah, we're friends in school too. Go check out his channel. His channel name is Blackgtvr, okay? Go check it out and subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna... Bro, what is wrong with my thing? Now we're gonna go to caves. Come on, Alex.
Hold, let me get my camera mod real quick.
Okay.
Okay. Hold up, let me restart. Let me restart the video.
While I wait for him, I'm just gonna do some stuff.
Since I forgot to get my camera mod. I'm gonna be doing it at max FOV because I like 130. Okay, this goes on my test.
Everyone, that's behind the scenes. Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, this is my second collab with my friend, Blackgtvr kid. Yeah.
Hello.
So he's my friend in school. So today we're gonna be going into OG caves and trying to find Lucy.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Yo, I'm gonna tell you a secret, Alex. Did you know do you have the Oculus app?
No.
You should get it. It's for free, and you could also post videos with the Oculus app. Okay, off to the mines we go, or caves. Sorry about that. That took a little too long, viewers.
Whee! They're the caves.
Bro, what? Okay.
Yeah, I kind of does that when you're trying to load into a map.
Yeah, it's annoying.
Yeah, it's pretty annoying.
Hey Alex, how do you like the new map so far?
Bro, the crystals look so vibrant, dude. Holy shoot.
No bad words, okay?
Yeah, I'm not saying.
Okay, so we're gonna spawn Lucy
friendly.
and hopefully not be scaredy cats. There it is. There it is. I don't even see her. Okay, bro, now we gotta find her. If we get too scared, let me just find something, okay? I'll get it. I have the key card. So in case we get scared, we can run into that other room. Gonna check in here. Nope, Lucy's not there.
Absolutely nothing in there.
Bro, did you hear that? I think someone else is in the code. Alex? Oh. Let's go check the leaderboard. Okay, I'm getting scared.
I'll check the freaking leaderboard.
I keep hearing weird sounds. Okay, good. No one else is in here.
Okay, thank goodness.
Because I kept hearing weird sounds.
Bro.
Yeah?
Bro, I wish I could put on Cave Wave so I don't be scared all of a sudden. So I
bro, I keep hearing
alone,
sounds like psst, psst, like something like that.
Yeah, bro, it's like Screech from Roblox door.
Okay, let's go. Bro, did you? Bro.
Bro, what?
Bro, I keep hearing some weird stuff. I think I'll be fine, okay? I think we'll be fine. Alex, come here. I need to tell you something very important. If there's a ghost in here, let's just play a different game with the viewers to see, okay? Deal? Okay. I am scared.
Bro, I keep hearing Ren.
I don't know. I heard something. Okay, Alex, we gotta run. I heard something, Alex. We gotta play a different game. Okay. Okay, Alex. Okay, guys, we're gonna go into a call. Let's go to call mode.
Okay, one sec.
Alex. Let's go to a different game. Okay. I'm scared. What games do you have? Let's play Animal Company. Okay. I'm gonna tell the viewers that I'm in Animal Company. Okay, hey viewers, for the game we're gonna be playing is Animal Company, so yeah, it's not as scary. Okay, viewers.
Hey guys, yeah, we're gonna get some good.
Okay, that's loud. I need to tell Alex something. Alex, the code is 555. Okay, by the way, that's the code. 555. Someone else is in here. What's his name? Oh, that's CM Bean. Add a 4 to the code. Bro, my hand is stuck to the Animal Company thing. Actually, the code is X, okay? Like XX tension.
To my shield.
Oh! Oh, miss!
Never
Miss!
mind.
Miss! Oh! Kill yourself!
The code is FDCI. Sorry. Sorry about that, guys. That took a long time. I tried finding something else. Oh, look! Yeah! Sorry, I need to do some. Yes, Alex. Yep. Sorry, viewers, I need to do something. Alex, where are you? Alex, where are you? There you are. Hi, Alex. Alex, go back.
Hi.
Okay, everyone. Now we're in Animal Company. Now we're gonna play some Animal Company because of this.
Yeah.
I need to change my character, bro. I need to change. I look absolutely disgusting.
What the? Bro, this isn't even a black. This is a straight up gray.
Yeah. Bro, I look absolutely disgusting right now. I gotta change my character.
On the mirror, it only looks straight up black. But on this, I literally look gray. Like, what the heck?
Okay,
Okay.
I am good. I am a Giat master.
Bro, what?
Yo, Alex.
Okay, please not show that on the camera. This is a kid-friendly video.
Oh yeah. You have viewers.
The way that you stick your tongue out.
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Gia. Alex,
This is kid-friendly.
I dare you. Gia. I dare you to do it.
What?
I dare you.
Oh, wait.
No, like break
Oh,
it
my
down.
mic is in.
Like break it down. Damn.
Okay, just letting you know, I'm gonna cut that out of the video.
Bro, no one's looking at you right now.
Yeah,
How are
but
you
I'm
supposed
recording.
to cut that video out?
I'm gonna upload it on YouTube.
Are you like
I use
really
my
recording?
editing.
Like recording, like from
Yeah,
the
like
app?
really recording.
Okay. Sorry, Alex. That sucked. Bro, okay, now we're gonna see the new update.
Okay, let's see how much are these snowballs worth. What the frick?
What the hell? Just put the. What the
Why do
heck?
I keep this popping?
Alex, I'll tell you when this. I'll tell you when to put them in.
Bye.
You monkey. You monkey. I'm gonna get you back.
R.I.P.
That's it. I'm gonna get him back.
On my camera. Jesus.
I got TNT.
Nah, bro. Crazy.
Come here. Alex, you owe me, bro.
Okay.
Bro, give it back. Give it back. Put that in. We're just selling candy. Let's see how much money we get. How much money?
Absolutely nothing.
That was a waste. Hopefully I get my money back. Weapons. I need to get something. Collect. I need to get my daily stuff.
Okay, let's see the jobs.
Bro, I have 7,991 like gears. That's crazy.
Only have 2.
Damn. I feel bad, bro. Stick. Get it out. Alex, I have a stick. Want one? Would you like a stick?
Sure.
Here you go.
Let me get the stick. The moderator stick. Ow.
We both have
Oh,
moderator stick.
Let me let go of this.
Hello,
Expector
good sir.
Patronum.
Okay, Alex, should we go fight some monsters?
I don't think we're gonna be able to fight.
We cannot
Still
fight
need a
that
flashlight.
ogre. We could definitely not fight that ogre.
Holy shit, it's windy here.
Yo, what is that?
What is that?
Oh crap, the ogre is right there right now. Like literally
Ogre.
right there. Should we go check it out? If it comes near
Hey,
us,
don't
then
hit
we-
me with that.
Hey, I didn't mean to. Sorry. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out.
They're
Oh,
coming. They're coming. We're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. Let me out!
Why are you screaming?
Because there's an ogre chasing after me.
Wait, there's an ogre chasing after you? Yeah, bro, you're cooked.
Yeah, there was an ogre chasing after me.
You, bro, front man.
It's the what, man?
Yo.
Nah, bro, that ain't the front man. That's the back man.
No, that's not a squid. What is that?
Squid! Nah, that ain't. Nah, bro, that ain't the circle dude. That's the
Burkle
star
dude.
dude.
That's the Burkle dude. Okay, Alex, I think we should go back in.
More like Furkle dude.
Yeah, let's go back in, bro. Be careful of the landmines.
Yeah, I'll be careful.
Damn, that chicken got a giat. Look at it.
Dang, level 10 guy out right there.
Huh?
I do not want to awake the chicken. Expect a
happens?
pantheon.
Puppy me without the police. Here. Hey, are you trying to hit me with that?
Don't worry, I won't hit you. Let's go try finding that thing.
Bro, it's
Damn.
so foggy out here.
Oh my god, there's free chickens.
Run! Why am I
Did you
going back, dude?
Did you see the ogre? Mom, turn
Yeah,
that
bro,
down.
I see that ogre.
Thank you. Okay. You know what? Let's not be a chicken. Let's just go. I see the chicken. Let's try killing it. Let's try
gun! I have a gun!
Oh my god, that looks terrifying.
That looks... Oh shoot! That's truck right there! Run!
Why are you hitting me?
I didn't mean to hit you, dude.
I'm making a video. Be quiet.
Where did my stick go?
I'm at an old time love.
I can hear you through my interstellar radar.
Bro, I think the ogre is gone. Yo.
Hey, that's mine.
You're gonna get absolutely nothing.
You're absolutely right. I get absolutely nothing.
I look
Since
like
it's not worth anything. Kill me.
okay. I got it first try. Bro's stuck in there. Yo, Alex,
Stay in there. I won't kill you.
Want a stick? I'll go get you a stick.
Win the stick. Me win the stick.
There you go. Here you go.
Did you know that you can actually use this as a cane?
Yeah, it's cool. Alex, let's face our
actually
fears
so
and go
cool.
kill that ogre.
Yeah, let's go face our fears and kill that ogre.
Actually, let's just go kill a chicken.
Wait for me, dude. Wait for me. Shucks, they left me behind.
Bro.
Oh, where?
Alex, come here. Come here. Look at his mouth. Look at that mouth.
You. There's an ogre. Ogre is right there. The ogre's
What's
right
up, ogre?
there. Bro, you're gonna alert the ogre to come here.
Here he har.
I'm gonna alert the chickens to come here now.
Why does it look
Run.
like that?
Run the frick away.
get the frick on top of this rock, dude.
I'm gonna be in Raisin
The
Cane's.
chicks have gone insane. Nah, bro. What the frick?
Bro, let's kill the chicken.
Holy
Let's kill the
shoot.
chicken. If it comes near us.
Does the chicken kill you?
Yes, it does.
Crap.
Should we go kill? Oh, God, that's scary.
Oh shoot.
Let's go kill him. Let's go kill him.
Okay. If we don't get spotted, then
go
we will be
first.
able to kill him. No, bro.
Bro, I went
Why
first
me
for the
first?
girl attack stuff.
Game. God, I put damage to him. Okay, you go now.
I'm gonna go try getting this chicken. It's gone. The ogre! The ogre! Run!
Shoot.
Bro, I saw the ogre.
The
Alex,
ogre's
Roddy's
literally
coming.
over there. Run. Oh my god, the ogre is coming.
Mm. Mm.
I swear, if Benji Scarlet makes an Animal Company song, I'm gonna be so mad at him.
Yeah, I think we should report him if he keeps doing this.
Yeah. Like, I
At
don't
this
even know
point,
why
the
he even
viewers are
has
getting
4
bored.
million
At this point,
subscribers.
At this point, the viewers are getting bored.
Yeah, at this
Yeah.
point, true.
Let's just go kill a chicken. That's just the easiest thing
kill
to
a
do.
goddamn chicken.
Let's go kill him. No. Where did my... Oh,
Wait for me, dude.
where did my gun? Where'd my stick?
Wait for me.
Bro, my stick is gone.
Oh my
Ogre,
god, the
come here.
ogre is right there. The ogre is right there.
Oh.
Run the frick away! Bro, what the frick have you done? What have you done, dude?
Damn.
Bro, you made the ogre angry. Oh, sorry.
Bro, I see the Rock Johnson right now. He's like literally right there.
Black.
I always
Bro,
wanted
where's
a broad
Dwayne The Rock
block.
Johnson? Where is Dwayne The Rock Johnson?
I literally saw it, but Alex, these snowballs are weapons.
Oh, shoot.
Let's go kill.
I'm gonna get him with my cane.
You get. I mean, this is also a pretty good weapon.
Yeah. Not bad. To be exact.
Where is it?
Ready. Fight.
Come on.
He's stuck.
Come on, let me on.
Ooh.
He's stuck. Oh shoot. Run. No! Help! Help!
He's throwing rocks.
God!
Run, he's
I don't
throwing
even
rocks
know
at
why
us.
I didn't use my stick. Because my aim sucks with snowballs. Like, this is my first time using them in Animal Company. I don't know why you can't just hold the trigger while holding it and throw it and let go. And let go. Like, that's so stupid.
I see him. But we're
Well,
actually
look who
not
it is!
Pointy, pointy.
Bro, what?
I see him. What could go wrong?
CIA reference. Oh my shoot! Oh my god!
Die.
Oh! Oh! Ah! My stick! My stick!
I like
R.I.P. my stick, dude.
please.
Run! 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 Run for your freaking life! Run for your freaking life like your life depends on it, dude. Like,
I hit him. He's throwing boulders at us.
help! 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 Oh shoot!
He's throwing rocks at us.
Come here!
I think we should kill this guy.
Run! Run! Bro! Bro, you look so skinny and fat at the same time.
Yo, bro's a hunchback.
Hunchback, lol. Hunchback moment.
Bro,
Hey! Shoot, shoot! No! I died! No! Bro, I freaking died.
Alex, he's here. He's here.
I freaking died. Holy shoot. Hold up. Can we use that boulder as a weapon? We can. Pretty sure so this heavy. Right. Get him! Oh shoot!
You know he can still kill you.
Got it! Oh shoot! He walked out! He walked out! Bro, what? Bro, he literally walked out! Did you freaking... Ow! Rude!
I mean, we're throwing snowballs at him. I died. Bro, we killed him! We killed him! We killed him!
Bro, I just... Bro, holy shoot.
We killed him!
Did we kill him?
Yeah, we killed him!
No! Okay, I'm gonna get this one. Okay, let's see how much these are worth.
No,
Let's see how much
Alex,
these are worth.
they bring weapons. They bring weapons.
What?
Alex, let's break it. Let's break it.
Yo.
Alex, I think this is the one you should...
Maybe. Bro, this thing's indestructible, dude.
Alex, actually, I think we should put it in the incubator or whatever this thing is.
Okay, you go first.
Your turn.
You go first. You go first. You go first.
No, we both get stuff. We both equally... I wonder what we get.
Let's see how much we get. Let's see how much.
Oh my god.
Dang!
63,
Dang,
that's good.
63, wow! That's insane.
Yo, I completed a mission.
Nice.
Bro, it said I
Hold
completed
up,
a
let me
mission.
get this diamond. Let me get this
Where is my
diamond.
mission?
Can you even find and pick up a can of cola?
Let's go do that.
Yeah.
Alex, I think we should first kill that ogre again. That was cool.
Okay.
That was fun.
We're gonna be doing
God! Damn!
get him. Get him. Get him. Get him for me. Shoot, he's insane. He's insane.
Bro crashed out.
Bro crashed out over a snowball.
Bro, you hit him. It did damage.
Mia. Run, run, run!
Alex, it's fine.
Bro, he's come on. Bro, he's insane. He's insane. Oh my god, his army is coming. Army is freaking coming, dude. Oh shoot. The army of chickens are coming, dude.
And the
Holy
ogre he's like literally right there.
shit. Welcome back, Ogre.
I'm gonna do
Okay,
something.
my aim
I'm just
sucks
gonna
with
quit.
snowballs.